This is John Dell, and I'm the annoying Roy. Ano ka, sir? This is from the Phantom of the Opera.
Let daylight dry your tears and fear with you beside you to guard you and to guide you and say you love me every waking moment. Turn my head with dark thoughts sometimes. Say promise me that all you say is true. That's all I ask for. Let me be your shelter. Let me be your light, your shade. No one will find you. Your feet are far behind you. All I want is freedom. Oh, with no more night and you always beside me to hold me and to hide me, then say